in this variable, I'll be just doing the encoding part, guys. So guys, can you please tell me, like, see, you have to understand one thing. In Python, it follows some indexing. So in this example, my categorical variable were present at the 0 index. So if you refer to the data set, this is a 0 index, this is a 1 index, this is a 2 index, this is the 3 index, and this is a 4 index. My first column is my 0 index, first index, second index, third index, and fourth index. So guys, can you please tell me, like, at what index is my categorical variable is present? Perfect. 3. Perfect. Perfect. So only one thing I have to do. I have to replace this with the 3. Let us run this. Okay, it executed well, and like, let us see what they have included. Okay, now I'll be printing the X. Okay. Print capital X. So guys, one thing you have to understand, like, whenever you do one hot encoding, no, since this particular column is present at the third index, but it will be highlighted at the first column. I hope all of you are getting it. This is at the third index, but it will be highlighted at the first column all the time after doing the one hot encoding. I hope this is clear to everyone. Guys, I hope this is clear to everyone. Okay, are we all clear that why I've utilized 3? Because my categorical variable is present at the third column. So this is one of the data set, as you can see, guys. So I'm just only doing the things from the data pre-processing template or the tool. I think this I've already shared. I do not have to do encoding of the dependent variable because my you can see my dependent variable, which is the profit, is continuous. So that's why encoding is only done on the categorical variables, and moreover, it does not have any missing value. So taking care of the missing data also we do not have to include. Now I'll just extend the session for just 5 more minutes. Let me split the data into the training set and the test set. Okay, so it covers 50 entries. I think 20% if I take the test size, guys. So can you please tell me, like, guys, if you take the test size to be 50%, so can you please tell me, like, what would be my you can say my test data if there are 50 entries? If 20 is my test size, so how much will be the test size? How many fields will be there in the test size? 20% of 50 is how much? 10. Perfect. So right now the 10 field got separated. I'll just quickly show you X train and the Y train. I think all of you remember the argument. Print. Okay, I'll just show you X test. Okay, perfect. So it has the encoded data, and if you count the number of columns, number of rows, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I hope this is clear to everyone. Perfect, perfect. So guys, I'll just do one thing. Since I have to also cover some theory part, which we have discussed in this particular slide, in this particular OneNote. So like in the next class, I'll be just starting with how can we build a model, some of the important steps. So like, so let's call it a day for today. Shall we call it a day for today, guys? Okay. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll just share you this, you can say the code so that you can practice, and I'll also try to share this OneNote to all of you, right? Okay. So guys, let's call it a day for today. I'll be just covering it from here. You can say how to build a model, the methods of building, 5 methods of building the model. Okay. So, okay, guys. Okay, keep on learning the machine learning. Good night. And I'll just post it on the group. Thank you.